Hi everyone, and welcome you to our channel Food for Baby. As we do every day, today also we have brought a very tasty rice recipe for 7 months old baby. Usually babies rejects food in this age, but if we give them foods with different tastes and different colors, definitely they love eating. So first of all, I have selected some vegetables and cut them into very small pieces like this. You can use a variety of vegetables which contains every nutritious parts. So let's see. You can see that all the vegetables have been cut into very small pieces like this. In this age, most of the mothers complains that the babies don't like to eat food. So it's up to the mothers, as I know. So now let's start to prepare this. First add butter into a pan and add chopped garlic and onion. And if you like, you can add pepper powder to give them to your baby. Now add our chopped vegetables. Here potato, carrot, pumpkin, beans, so don't add green leaves at the beginning of the cooking. You should add them finally. Okay, once it's done, here you can add washed rice with 2 cups of water and cook the rice well in a low flame. So now you can see the rice has been cooked well. And break an egg into a bowl and mix it with thick coconut milk, and add this egg mixed coconut oil to our cooked rice and mix well. Again, cook this in a low flame. So now the rice is ready. This is very suitable for 7 months. So try this at home, and thank you for watching our video.